For our next tip and trick for a wagon load, take a piece of styrofoam that would fit into the wagon and then rough up the surface to make it irregular. And then take a sheet of tinfoil and then wrap it around the piece of styrofoam, and try and glue it together, let's say using crazy glue, or CRA as it's also known. So we'll do that and then we'll fit it into the wagon and check it as the next step. Now you want to make sure that it sticks and that you don't get it on your fingers for obvious reasons. And then all I would do is just press down on top of it, try and get the form irregular, and make sure that you've got good contact here. And then I'd leave it for a while and just see if it sets properly before you try fitting it inside the wagon. And what I would do is take a variety of thicknesses of tinfoil and crush them up into irregular shapes, and then we'll try and glue them to this load here and see how that turns out. I used the crazy glue, but in the end I added some Gorilla Glue because I wasn't sure that the crazy glue was taking. So now it's time to add a little bit of rust colour paint, and then I'll add more to it. So that's the next step. I don't have orange, but I'm going to try a mixture of kind of red colour, green, grey, and see how things work out. And I'm just going to let it sort of settle in there. And there's the finished product. You can use any shape or combination of size and shape to represent all forms of metal that might be getting taken to a scrapyard. This is just another load that you can make simply with some readily available materials, and you can make it to suit the requirements of your own layout. So I hope you enjoyed that. Come back again soon. This is just an afterthought in the process of gluing the tinfoil together. You'll notice here there's a bit of a bubble, and that is from the Gorilla Glue. So I would avoid using Gorilla Glue in this particular exercise and try to find another suitable glue. You can see another spot there. It's all a learning process, isn't it? Please give me the big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time here at Partick Hill Station. Tips and tricks. Bye for now.